Good day everyone. I am Rana Teresi from Bachelor of Science Criminology. And the topic that I've choose is agricultural pollution. At the moment, developed and developing countries around the world are depleting the earth resources at an unprecedented pace. The world's population is steadily increasing, with more people on the planet and their consumption patterns evolving. More basic human needs such as food, water, shelter, and energy are becoming more important. This leads to the conclusion that a fundamental rethinking of the way we manage our natural resources. Agricultural farming has become more advanced, which is why there are so many people in the world today. These are the necessary means of survival. Without them, there will be a famines all over the world. Agricultural cultivation has been a natural activity that does not harm for the soil for 1,000 years. Farmers use agricultural methods that ensure soil fertility for many centuries, while modern agricultural practices has begun the process of agricultural contamination, resulting in destruction of land, climate, and biodiversity due to the agricultural byproducts. The widespread agricultural pollution we now face can be attributed to a single sources. Agricultural is multifaceted practice in which crop and livestock development must be perfectly balanced. Agricultural pollution develops over time as a result of the various stages of their growth. A well thought out, best management practice requires an intervention that increases crop production while reducing environmental effects. This means using the best management practices, such as reducing pesticide use, to ensure a safe crop. Soil is critically for healthy crops, and its management is essential. However, intensive horticultural production can pose a threat. Agricultural innovation deplete the natural resources based by requiring the high level of toxic chemicals. Organic farmer relies on soil organic matter management to improve the physical, biological, and chemical properties of soil for crop production optimization. Soil management regulates the amount of nutrients available to crops. Furthermore, soil processes are important in controlling the pests, weeds, and diseases. Agricultural research that is focused on technology should be produced by specialists and then demonstrated to the farmers. Since pesticide and herbicide play an important role in erosion control and environmentally sustainable agricultural methods relies on limited chemical use. Keeping agricultural pollution in check is much harder than it seems. For the farms to become clean once again, levels of water, soil, and industrial have to be kept in check. Over the last decade or so, governments have become stricter about enforcing regulation. Organic farmers can be minimize the loss of topsoil cover for better crop production by using minimal tillage, crop selection criteria, soil plant cover maintenance, and other methods that reduce soil erosion. According to the International Federation of Organic Agricultural Movements standards and also the Organic Economic Cooperation and Development or OECD monitors the linkage between the environment and agriculture and identifies successful agricultural policies that mitigate the negative environmental impacts while enhancing the positive ones, and provides recommendation to improve policy coherence for environmental performance of the agricultural sector. For many nations, agriculture has been the basis of development. It is the same today. Every nation wishing to develop must develop a chain of interdependent and sustainable industry. The agricultural industry is backbone of them all.